Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you re a healthcare professional with your sights set on a career in the vibrant city of Dubai or anywhere in the Gulf, then you've come to the right place. This is your trusted source for all things related to medical licensing and building a successful career in the Middle East. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and allied health professionals alike: the DHA Licensing Exam. This isn't just any test. It's your golden ticket to practicing in Dubai's world-class healthcare system. So, if you're ready to make that dream a reality, stick around because we're about to share the ultimate guide to acing this exam. First things first, what exactly is the DHA exam? The Dubai Health Authority, or DHA, designed this test to ensure that every healthcare professional practicing in the Emirate meets a high standard of safety and competence. It's a computer-based multiple-choice exam, typically consisting of 70 to 100 scenario-based questions. You'll be tested on your clinical reasoning and professional knowledge. The passing score usually hovers around 60% to 70%, depending on your specific profession. It's challenging, but absolutely achievable with the right strategy. So, where do you begin? The very first step, before you even think about the exam, is completing your primary source verification, or PSV. This is handled by a company called DataFlow. They'll verify the authenticity of your educational degrees, work experience certificates, and professional license from your home country. It's a meticulous process, so it's wise to start this as early as possible. Once your documents are submitted for PSV, you'll need to create an account on the Sheryan portal, which is the DHA's official online licensing system. Here, you'll upload all your required documents and personal information. After your profile is reviewed and approved, you'll be granted eligibility to book your exam. You can schedule your test at a Prometric center, and the great news is that these centers are available worldwide, so you can likely take the exam in or near your home city. Now, let's talk about the most important part: preparation. How do you prepare to pass? Your journey should start with the official DHA syllabus for your specific category. You can download this directly from the DHA website. It outlines all the topics you'll be tested on, so you know exactly what to focus on. For most medical professions, you'll want to prioritize high-yield subjects. For doctors, this often means internal medicine, pediatrics, OB/GYN, and surgery. For nurses and pharmacists, pharmacology, patient safety, and emergency care are key. But knowing the topics isn't enough. You need to practice. The exam is all about applying your knowledge to clinical scenarios. This is where question banks, or Q banks, become your best friend. Daily practice is crucial. We highly recommend using reliable resources that mimic the style and difficulty of the actual exam, like UWorld or dedicated Prometric MCQT. Consistent practice will train your brain to quickly analyze scenarios and identify the correct answers. Okay, fast forward to exam day. You've prepared, you've studied, and now it's time to perform. My biggest piece of advice is to stay calm. Arrive at the Prometric Center early to avoid any last-minute stress. During the exam, manage your time wisely. If you get stuck on a difficult question, don't panic. Use elimination techniques to narrow down your choices. And more often than not, trust your first instinct. Your initial gut feeling is often the result of all the knowledge you've accumulated. And then comes the best part, passing the exam. Once you've successfully passed, you will receive your DHA eligibility letter. This letter is your official confirmation that you are qualified to practice in Dubai, and it's valid for 1 year. With this letter in hand, you can confidently start applying for jobs at hospitals and clinics across the city. Once you secure a job offer, your employer will assist you in converting that eligibility letter into a full active DHA license. We know this process can seem overwhelming, from the initial DataFlow verification to the final license activation. But you don't have to go through it alone. Our team at Dubai Healthcare Consultancy is here to help. We are the leading platform assisting doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals with complete licensing support, not just for Dubai, but also for Saudi Arabia, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, and Kuwait. Whether you need help with your license, registration, DataFlow verification, or exam booking, we've got you covered. Just visit our website, the link is right there in the description below. And if you're looking for a high-quality question bank to supercharge your exam preparation, you can also find that on our website. Again, just check the link in the description for any direct questions or personalized assistance. Feel free to contact us on WhatsApp at 971 543 199048. We're always happy to help. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss our latest updates on medical licensing and global healthcare opportunities. Thank you so much for watching. Stay motivated, study smart, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.